Hello everyone. Welcome back to our new video. Today, I'll guide you through how to delete a file in GitHub repository. If you've been searching for a way to remove a specific file from your GitHub repository, you've come to the right place. But before we get started, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials and tips. Now, let's start. To delete a file from your GitHub repository, first of all, open github.com in a web browser and log into your account. Click on your profile picture in the top right corner of the screen and select your repositories from the drop-down menu. These are all the repositories available in your account. Find and click on the repository where you want to delete a file. From the specific repository page, navigate through the folders to find the file you want to delete. Just click on a folder name to open it. I am opening this folder because I have a file that I want to remove. Now, click on this file to open it. Once open, you will see the content available in the file. To delete this file, click on the three-dot menu at the top right of the screen. A drop-down menu appears. Scroll down the menu and click on Delete File at the bottom. You will be redirected to a new page where you can confirm the deletion. From the top right side of the screen, click on Commit Changes. A pop-up screen appears. Add a commit message to describe the deletion. Finally, click the Commit Changes button to finalize the deletion. Now, your repository file has been deleted from your GitHub account. By following these simple steps, you can successfully delete a file from your GitHub repository.